We are 50 meters away and it's reliably connected yet. Let's see. Recently, I've been working on a project using ESP32 and I discovered this fascinating Wi-Fi long range. Today, I'm going to test it to see how far these devices can see each other. This script uses Wi-Fi long range mode in ESP32 to connect nodes together, send hardbit packet, and then monitor that packets to find the connectivity status. This UI is a live status screen for the ESP32 Wi-Fi long range link. It shows connection state, active device pair, RSSI, link quality, heartbeat, and last update time in real time. WebSocket keeps it live, and HTTP refresh acts as a backup for reliability. Okay everyone, we are all set and ready to go. For this test, we are going to head over to a park near my home and I'll show you the results live once we are there. Well, we are here in this beautiful park. Now let's test what we have created. For the first ESP, I connected to my phone as the source for power and I'm gonna leave it here. And for second ESP, I've connected it to my laptop, which I will bring it with myself when I'm going far. As the first target, I'm gonna walk away for 50 meters to see is it connected yet or not. Okay, we reached 50 meters, and as you see, it's connected yet. Let's keep it up. Wow, unbelievable. We are at 100 meters and it's still reliably connected. Okay, now we got 250 meters and the signal is a bit vague. And yes, as you see, it's disconnecting. All right, as you see, even with our non-professional setup, this long-range Wi-Fi really works. We reached to more than 100 meters of distance. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or if you want to try it yourself, feel free to leave comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in next video.